Want to use your SafeLink phone with another carrier? Here's how. First, you'll need to be eligible. This generally means being an active SafeLink customer in good standing, having used the phone for at least 12 months on their network, and not having a reported, lost, or stolen device. To start the unlock process, gather your phone's IMEI, find this in Settings, About Phone, and your SafeLink account number. Then, visit SafeLink's website or app to submit an unlock request. Alternatively, you can call their support line at 1-800-723-2161. Remember, the unlock is free if you're eligible, so avoid unauthorized third-party unlock services that could void your warranty. After submitting your request, SafeLink will verify your eligibility. This usually takes 24 to 48 hours. Once approved, SafeLink will send you an unlock code via email or SMS. Power off your SafeLink phone, remove the SafeLink SIM card, and insert a SIM card from another carrier. Turn the phone back on. If prompted, enter the unlock code you received from SafeLink. For some newer Android models released after 2023, the phone might automatically unlock upon inserting the new SIM, thanks to recent FCC updates. If you encounter any issues, contact SafeLink customer support for assistance.